Hope the brakes work. Hello and welcome back to the 1975 Chevy C10 build. Today I would actually be working on a lot of things, mainly the brakes and cleaning up the truck a little bit. But if we find any more problems, then we'll also fix those. So we got a ton of things to do and tons of stuff that we have to get done as well. But it's all gonna be worth it. So it's been a while since we actually worked on this. I've been busy with other projects and everything. I'm excited to finally get back to work on it. However, we've been having a ton of problems with the brakes. So we're going to have to take off the tires and look at the back drum brakes and the front disc brakes. So we're going to have to look at those and see if there's anything wrong. Last episode, we actually had to fix the brake lines. You can't really see it down here, but they were leaking, so we had to fix those, which was a task. That's why we had to use the tools and everything. We're gonna have to take off the tires, see what's wrong with those. I'm using my truck to jump off my other truck. It cranked. A lot of people don't like older vehicles, but I think they're fine. Yeah. It's that wheel cylinder. It's cracked and dry rotted. That's where all your fluid's going. You push the brake, it goes right out there. Me, I'd probably replace both of them. That's where all your fluid's going. And that's why this ain't even gripping either. The rotors are good. Brakes are good. You need to clean them with brake cleaner. Sand them a little bit, but you definitely need a wheel cylinder. So we need to leave that one alone, take this off, and take that wheel cylinder off, see if they've got them at O'Reilly's. Got rotted, rusted it, right? Oh. Yeah, it's working. That side ain't. It's dry rotted. Dang, that's shut. Oh yeah. It's froze. So the other one's probably gonna be just as bad. What you wanted? Yeah. To go to back to O'Reilly's to get this cylinder part so that we could actually replace the ones that's already in the tires, and doing so would help prevent the brake fluid from being squirted out whenever we use the brakes. So we got some brake cleaner and some wheel cylinders. It totaled up to like $40. It's insane. It messed up. No, there you go. To do the other side, so we gotta pull out the board. And he stalled it. We gotta remember not to leave that off. Yeah. So I'm going to clean this tire off. So it needs to be clean. I'm going to use degreaser, of course, and water. So the water ain't on. don't know why the people don't like the white letters on the outside. I think it looks great. Makes it more like a, to me, it reminds me more of like NASCAR tires where it's all white. But people prefer the black on the outside, which is fine too, but the white gives it a little more depth. Got started up the old-fashioned way. The back ones look like they work fine. The brake caliper ain't even on the tire.
It's not even seated on there right. I don't even know if that's the right brake pads.
Does the shocks look good?
I don't even know if that's. Well, the shocks look like they could be replaced. These don't look right. Something here don't.
Yeah, so we're gonna have to redo that. And this tire needs to be re-cleaned too because it's got grass all over it. This is the dirt, the other side. So this is the before, and that's the after.
Must be the zooming part. Put the cap back on
Hope the brakes work. Woo! One tire sounds like it's scrubbing, but the other one's slowly. Yeah. I don't know if it's locking up, but it's stopping real fast. Woo. Yeah, that one tire is scraping a whole lot on that side. Okay, it's not like it's backfiring anymore. Yeah? Yeah, timing's terrible. See, that vacuum line was unplugged the whole time. That might be the reason why it's backfiring.
the vacuum advance.
He was just laying there, apparently.
Yeah, I didn't hook it back up. That's probably why I didn't hook it up last time. It was hot. Then I forgot about it.
You can see where it's been backfiring. Yeah, because it ain't backfiring anymore. Definitely gonna have to get in some new tires on the back. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. I'll be trying to post more of this truck here soon, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye. Sorry if this video was kind of shorter than usual. I'm kind of on vacation right now, but don't worry, I'll still keep posting videos and keeping y'all updated on stuff. But as of right now, look at this view. It's crazy. This is the after. Toyota got saved today.